Some friends of mine left their work tools here. I don't know if they are Sarah's, Mark's, or if they belong to both of them. Could you help me put them away?
I think it might go in both, because everybody needs to keep their everything tidy.
Because in most of the film, I see girls cleaning.
Both.
Kind of both. The football people are always men.
And do you know any famous female football players?
No.
No, I don't.
No. Because I usually see boys, firefighters, and I don't see that much women.
Maybe it's because men are a bit stronger.
But women are more flexible.
And are there any other differences?
Quite a few.
For example?
I don't really know. Both. I want to be an astronaut.
I always see astronauts in the moon that they are boys.
Both, because my brother's friend, her mother is a scientist.
I think it goes in both.
No virus.
Which one of them do you think is an engineer?
Mark.
Because I think that I don't really see much women.
I have seen some, but mostly boys. I think both, because it might be very hard, so you have to be like a big team. I think that boys and girls are equal.
That's how it should be.
We could maybe like make posters, do anything we can just to try and make it stop, because they're equal. We're all human beings.